Yes. So now we have to, in the earlier class, we have dealt with the basic concepts of economics. That is, we have analyzed what is economics, what are the two main branches of economics, as well as we have gone through the central problems of the economy. Now in this class, we have to deal with what is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. That is, it is the next best alternative forgone. That means, suppose you have, I am giving you three options. Okay, as we have already discussed, we cannot fulfill your all of your wants. Our wants are unlimited, but our resources are only limited. So we have to satisfy those needs which you have to satisfy, or you have more priorities to satisfy. That means, for example, I'll give you, you have three options and you have 100 rupees with you. Okay, you have three options. Option A is to go for a cinema. Option B is to buy a notebook. Option C is to buy something else what you want. Suppose what you can say, a product which you can consume or you can eat. So these are the three options which you have out of your 100 rupees. And I am telling you that you cannot satisfy all of your three wants. It is want, it is desire. But it is not that, like, you have to notify, like, you have to keep it in mind that you cannot satisfy all of your three needs. That is A, B and C. So what you will do? You will be selecting from this options. Either A you will choose, or B you will choose, or C you will choose. Okay, suppose if you are choosing A, that is you are going for a cinema. Your ticket is costing 100 rupees. So after that you cannot go for B and C. Right. So A, that is you have already chosen A. So B and C is your next alternatives. That is next best alternatives. So for choosing A, you are sacrificing B and C. So that is next best alternative forgone. That is you are sacrificing your next best alternatives to get your top priority. Okay. So that is opportunity cost. So A, like B and C is your opportunity cost. A is your chosen alternative. Okay. So that is opportunity cost. So with the opportunity cost, that is it is defined as the value of benefit that is forgone by choosing the best alternative. That is, it is the next best alternative forgone. So it is like the opportunity cost of using a resource is defined as the value of next best use to which use the resources could be put. That is, you have so much of resources in the economy, right? And you are engaged in a productive activity also. So production is not fulfilled without the resources. But you cannot use all the resources which is available in the economy also. So for the production process also you need opportunity cost. So what you have to do is, you cannot produce all of the goods what you want. If you, like, with the available resources you have, you can use its best alternative. That is the best thing, you can select it. Suppose you are you have so much of A, B, C and combination of resources. You have to choose, like, you have to produce, say, a pen. Pen you have to produce. So you have to use those resources which is suitable for pen. You cannot, what you can say, you cannot produce all those things which you want. So next best alternative forgone is your opportunity cost. So likewise, coming to a concept related to opportunity cost is production possibility curve, or you can call it as production possibility frontier, that is PPC or PPF. It is also called transformation curve. So take a note on all these alternative names, because MCQ they can ask these alternative names. So that is called PPC, PPF, that is production possibility curve, production possibility frontier or transformation curve. So PPC, it shows all possible combinations of two goods that can be produced in the economy with the given level of technology. Okay, that is PPC. So PPC means it shows all possible combinations of two goods that is available in, like, that you can produce with the given level of technology. That is PPC. So PPC, assumptions of PPC. Coming to the assumptions of PPC, you have three main assumptions to PPC. That is, the technology remains constant, resources remains constant, as well as the economy is a two good economy. In that economy, you can produce only two goods. Okay. And those all resources, whichever resources is available in that economy, that is used to produce only that two goods. That is good A and good B. In the classic example of economics, we take it as butter and gun. So butter is a consumer good, gun is a capital good. So in an economy, both consumer goods and capital good is needed. So for studying PPC, in the classic example of economics, we use as butter and gun. So good A is butter and good B is gun. So coming to the production possibility curve, I have to show you a curve. This is production possibility curve. Here, good A is marked in x-axis and good B is marked in y-axis. That is butter, gun. So this is a curve that is concave to origin. That is, I am showing here A, B, C combinations. Right. So